Hey everyone, warm up number 34. As you can tell, I've already wrote stuff down, pretty much for the simple fact that the pin wasn't going to have it happen. I am allowed to go back to school on Monday, and I'm going to get my regular pin and see if that actually works or if it's something wrong with this computer. I have no idea. All right, this is a system of equations, stuff that we did do in school this year. I have y equals 3x minus 5 and 6x plus 3y equals 15. It says, what is the value of y in the following system? All I did, so I started over here, and all I did was y equals this. That's what it tells me. So in this system, I can take out my y and replace it with 3x minus 5. So if you look over here, I rewrote this equation, the exact same thing, 6x plus 3, but instead of a y, I wrote 3x minus 5. So instead of y, there's 3x minus 5, and then equals 15. And now I just solved it. I distributed my 3. Yep, that's as good as the pins would let me draw arrows. 3 times 3 is 9x. 3 times a negative 5 is a negative 15. I put my like terms together, so 6 plus 9 gave me a 15x minus 15 equals 15. I just carried it all over. Sorry I couldn't write it down because this pin is a piece of garbage. And over here, I ended up isolating the variable. So I added 15 to both sides, got 30, brought my 15x down. I divided both sides by 15, and x equals 2, which is great. But it says, what is the value of y? I only found out the value of x. So now, if you remember in class, I can replace either x in either one of these equations. I could do it with this one or the other one. I'm going to figure out which one's easier, and the first one already has y by itself, so it's just some multiplication, some subtraction. I rewrote this problem out up here. Y equals 3, but instead of x, I put 2 in, because remember, I found 2 over here, minus 5. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So my final answer on this one is 1. Those are going to be all the answers this week. Just so you guys know, I have decided Section 10 assessment is going to be the last assessment I'm going to assign, because we only have 2 more weeks of school left, and in reality, if we were in school right now, you guys probably would have been done with the EOC. We might have been doing some fun projects, just some fun games in class, pretty much wrapping up to this point. Maybe doing a little prep work here and there for next year, but it wouldn't have been anything crazy. So pretty much this week, I want you to really try to get Section 10 assessment done. Next week, I'm just going to have you watch some videos from a section. No more assessments after Section 10. And then the very last week, it's just going to be the daily assignment. I'm not going to give you any videos, no assessments. And that last week, I'm going to reach out and I'm going to tell you, hey, this is what your grade is. This is what you're going to see on your report card. If you're happy with it, great. If not, I'm going to give you things to do. Go back, make up some of those assessments, things like that. All right. Don't worry if you didn't watch this video, which I'm sure some of you have not. I'm going to post a video in Teams probably the start of next week, middle of next week, just to kind of give you guys all a heads up. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully, you guys are having an amazing day. All of you guys are awesome.